What's up guys? So I have a quick tutorial for you how to assign exactly the material you need to the subtool. So for example, if you have your character and you wanna make in some subtool much glossy or matte texture, so you should go to your subtool. Choose, for example, I wanna create much realistic eyes for him, so I choose his eyes in the subtool and go to material, and I'm try to find something much better than regular, tool, like toy plastic. So toy plastic gives much glossy texture for him, for his eyes, but it doesn't work as we see. So it's just put on his head and probably put on his another parts like pants and shoes and gloves. Yeah, so make sure that you guys do it the same, and go to color menu and put fill object. Well, now it works. Yeah, it looks much better, and as you see, it's still working with his pants and another tools. So it's okay, it's just ZBrush kind of interesting program, so you don't need to bother or scared about it. It works fine. So go to, if I wanna choose another material and install it on, for example, my character, yeah, so I should go to subtool menu and highlight my object and go to material, and for example I wanna do in much realistic skin shade, so I go to material menu and choose skin shade, and it doesn't work properly, so doing the same what I did last time, go to color and fill object. That's it, now it works. Thanks for watching my quick video, and make sure that you like and subscribe on my YouTube channel.